Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Frederick and Spring Ridge to come and find out. This home right here is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and they are asking $750,000. It was built in like 91, give or take. But I think it's really nice. Let's go take a look. So they just redid the driveway. The roof has a sparkle to it, so it tells me that that is roughly 10 years old or younger. We've got a nice Stampcrete concrete patio there. Beautiful mature trees. I'm not sure how I feel about this one on the corner though. Just seems like it's out of place. But good size yard. Here's all your meters. Let's see what this HVAC situation is here. See if we can find an age. 17. I do smell a little gas, so that's somewhat concerning, but oh, look at this beautiful yard. Oh man, this is gonna be tough to beat. And they have a hot tub, walkout basement. Check out this pond. Somebody put some time and effort in here. Hi, fishies. A couple of little goldfish in there. And a large deck with steps. And they've got the ivy and vines twisted all around here with a little bench. Wow, they've definitely taken care of this. Looks like they've updated some part of the decking there. Huge deck. We'll take a look at that once we go inside, but this one's going to be tough to beat. Let's head on in and see what we see. We'll start on the left into the living room, which most people end up converting to an office. The formal dining room, which looks like it already is an office. First floor family room, wood fireplace. There's your official dining room. And check out this kitchen space and a high top. Two-tone cabinets, wall oven and microwave, and a half bath here, right off of the garage, which is a nice touch. There's different cabinets there too. Two-car garage. Let's check out that deck. So this thing is enormous. It's got a little raised bed there. Check out this view from the deck. Siding's in great shape. It's definitely newer from when it was built. It's definitely newer carpet. Interesting. That's interesting. Bedroom number 1. Windows are newer. So what my clients are laughing about is that over there.
Please stop opening their doors. Okay.
And we have hardwoods in here. Really large space. Bedroom number 3. Lots of good light in here. And hall bath. And walk-in closet. I have laundry in the master bedroom. That's kind of convenient. And the master bedroom. Got a mix of built-ins, which is nice. Got hardwood over here. In the sitting area. Large room. Huge soaking tub and shower. Dual vanities. Water closet. Me personally, I would rip all of that out and just put in one giant shower. What do you think? And we have another large walk-in closet over here. Is the basement creepy? I don't know. Let's go find out. And we head downstairs. It doesn't look creepy. This is a good sign. That fluorescent light needs to go though. Huge basement space. I'm not sure why they put pegboard around that. And you got a pipe sticking out there in the bulkhead. Gas fireplace. And here's your walk out to the hot tub. And they even have a little kitchenette back here. This is kind of nice. We have our utility closet here, our gas water heater and furnace. Over here is a full bath with angled shower. Huh. Oop, there's a bug. Just ran a bug off, but that's the sump pump. And look like networking in the house. But yeah, huge space. And then I think we still have more space over here that we have not checked out yet. Ooh, I like this. So they have this set up as a storage room on plywood. You could easily finish this off. For my buyers, they would probably make this the workout room. The things I see in old houses. This house ain't even that old. Gotta get a picture. We've been up, we've been down, we've been all around the outside. I like this house a lot. It's gonna need some personal touches for my clients, but it's a really nice house. What do you think? Is it worth it? $750,000 for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home?